Number 8. Here's f. Find f prime of pi over 6. So this one is pretty simple. You just use the chain rule basically, right? So let's find f prime first. The derivative of the outside is what? What's the derivative of tan? Is what? It's secant squared of blah blah times the derivative of what? Blah blah. So first find the derivative and then plug in pi over 6. What's the blah blah? It's 2x. This is what? That's 2. So rewrite f prime of x is what? 2 times, remember the coefficients always go in the front, secant squared of 2x. And now what do I plug in? Pi over 6. So f prime of pi over 6 is 2 times secant squared of 2 times pi over 6. Hopefully we know 2 times pi over 6 is pi over what? That's right, pi over 3, secant squared of pi over 3. And now don't freak out, you don't have a calculator, you don't need one. You should remember, secant is what? 1 over what? 1 over c, which is cosine. So first find the cosine of it, and then just plug it in. So what would I want to find? I wanted to find the secant of pi over 3. Let's plug in pi over 3. So secant of pi over 3 is the same thing as what? 1 over the cosine of pi over 3. And if you're freaking out, you should know pi over 3 is how many degrees? 60 degrees. Let's draw a triangle here. Okay, ready? So 60, 30, 90 is not drawn to scale. Across from 30 is 1/2. Across from 60 is square root of 3 over 2. And there's 1. And so which one do I want? Cosine is which distance? It's the x. So it's going to be 1/2. So this is what? That's just a half. So the secant of pi over 3 is what? It is 1 over 1/2, which we should know is what? It is 2. So back here, I end up with 2 times the secant of this, because remember this, when you see this square, this means the whole thing is being squared here. So this was 2 squared, which is 4 times 2, which is